Cooking at home with Jerome's Appliance Gallery. Welcome to the CAFÉ kitchen at Jerome's. Let's get cooking.
Hi, I'm Chef Erica at Jerome's Appliances Gallery, and today we're gonna cook a T-bone steak with veggies. So we're gonna start cutting our veggies. I have some zucchini, and we're just gonna slice our zucchini. So try to be consistent in your side. We're gonna make one pan dish in here. So everything is gonna be almost together. So we're gonna cook first our steak, and then halfway we're gonna add our veggies. Have some asparagus in here. What we're just gonna do is cut a little bit the end. These are very thin asparagus, so you don't have to cut that much. And then we're just gonna slice the sweet pepper. I cut it in 4, and then once that you cut it, then you can slide. Always remember to use all the blade of your knife so it's easy to cut. And you can use any kind of pepper like yellow, orange, or red. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of oil and seasoning our veggies. So we're gonna choose some of these little potato cherries, and then with a brush, you're gonna brush a little bit of all your veggies with some olive oil, and then we're gonna seasoning with salt and pepper. And we're gonna do the same with our T-bone steak. Some salt and pepper, and then we will flip it and do the same. Salt and pepper again. And we're ready to put it in our tray. So the speed oven has 3 trays. 1 is glass and 2 is metallic. Today we're gonna use the one that has the grill marks. So we're just gonna start cooking our T-bone and put it in our tray. We will press the speed oven, meat, T-bone steak, 1 steak, 1 inch thick, medium rare, start. We cook our steak halfway, and it's time to turn and add the rest of our veggies. And we take back to our oven. So our steak is ready, and now it's time to cut it. So when you have one piece like this, it's nice to slide it and then plate it in your plate. This steak is cooked to perfection. It's really nice, medium rare. I want to put some veggies in here. And I'm just gonna garnish a little bit with thyme, just to add some freshness and flavor. So our meal is ready. You can use another veggies. You can use carrots or Brussels. What I like about this oven is you have one meal just in one tray, so you don't have to wash a lot of dishes.
Thank you for cooking at home with Jerome's Appliance Gallery. To see the CAFÉ customizable professional collection, visit our showroom. Discover recipes, cooking videos, the Jerome's Appliance Academy, and Elevated Entertaining, our free digital magazine, at jeromesapplianceacademyinc.ca. Find the brands you love and the ones you dream about. At Jerome's, we put the trust back in appliance shopping.